Now, let's keep working with our surds, and this time we're going to use surds as applied to the distributive law. Distributive law is when you have something outside of a bracket that you distribute through. So we have a number at the front, the root 7 has to multiply both elements inside the bracket. So the root 7 has to multiply the 4, and the root 7 also has to multiply the 2 root 3. Simplifies down to 4 root 7 plus, now the 2 is the only rational number there, root 7 by root 3 is root 21. So there's a very simple case of surd being applied to distributive law. Over here in question number 2, distributive law again, but this time instead of having one number outside the bracket, we now have a bracket outside of a bracket. It's our binomial expansion that we're very used to. So you might remember your first outside, inside, last rule. FOIL method. So we come to expand this one. F for first. So the first elements in each bracket are 2 root 2 by root 6. Then, outside ones, 2 root 2 and negative 4 root 3. So 2 times negative 4 is going to be negative 8, root 2 by root 3. I for inside, that's going to be 1 times root 6, which is just root 6. And then for the last one is 1 times negative 4 root 3. That's just negative 4 root 3. From there, simplify as you can. Now, this is what we have so far. So that simplifies to 2 root 12, that to negative 8 root 6, that to root 6, and this to 4 root 3. Now, combine what you can. So clearly, these ones here are like terms. They both have a root 6. So I have negative 8 plus 1. So I have negative 7 lots of root 6. With my minus 4 root 3 on the end. So I still have my 2 root 12 here. I would hope that you would look at that and go, hey, I can simplify that down further, because that's what you need to do. So the 2 root 12, so take the 12 out from under the radical symbol and replace it with 4 multiplied by 3. So it's 2 root 4 multiplied by root 3, and I still have my, take 7 root 6, take 4 root 3. We can simplify this down now. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. I can't do anything with the radical, so it's 4 root 3. Take away my 7 root 6, and then take away 4 root 3. I can simplify that a little further. I have the square root of 3 happening 4 times, and from it I'm taking away the square root of 3 happening 4 times. They subtract out, my final answer is negative 7 root 6. Just a quick refresher on what I've done there. Just put those 2 brackets times together, I've expanded it with the FOIL method. First, outside, inside, last. Recombine the middle terms. Simplified down the root 12 that I could. Recombine once again what I can. Final answer. Give me a moment, I'm going to clear the board and put 2 practice questions up that you need to show me when you come into class next lesson. So here are 2 entry-level questions to start the lesson off. So after you're taking notes, have a shot at both of these, show me your results, and we'll see how we go from the lesson from there. So I'll see you in class.